A social story, how to cross the road safely. Never cross the road whilst you are looking at your mobile phone. Have a look up and down the road for a pedestrian crossing. When you're at the pedestrian crossing, push the button and it will light up and tell you to wait. The traffic lights will show red to let the cars know it's time to stop. If you are blind, partially sighted or deaf, after pushing the button, move your hand to the bottom of the unit. Here there is a cone and this spins when it is safe to cross the road. Do not walk across the road when the man is red. When the man changes to green, cross the road. If there is not a pedestrian crossing, look for somewhere else to cross. Use your eyes to see and your ears to listen out for vehicles. Stand with your feet on the pavement facing the road and look to the right and look to the left. When the road is clear, cross over it, making sure that you walk and do not run. Well done for learning how to cross a road safely.